Yeah, so we're banging in these cuts. Right now, DIY. Yeah, I'll put them in. Put them in and then clip them off. Pushka. I'll clip them off now and then put the last two in. When you have everything set up beside you, you shorten everything. You try and have everything at your fingertips all the time. Once I've clipped it, I will then look very closely at my lines. It shows that it could go up just a little. So we'll pop a wedge in there. That's cool. Come up. A little. That's good, 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 good. Once that's checked off, well then you bang out those last two. I always put my cuts in around the top at the same time. Whenever I'm doing a bathroom, I do the cuts around the top at the same, all at once. I find it quicker, easier. I also find as well when I spread my tile, I get less mess. I don't have to cover my floor. I'm not dropping glue everywhere. Good one, Charlie. I'll come back to you soon. I'll just give a bit of a rubber hammer on that, just to tap it down a little. Okay, see you soon.